Effect of print on women. Women's readings increased in middle-class homes. Women began to be educated in schools as well as at home. Journals began carrying writings by women and explained why women should be educated. Rajsundari Devi wrote her autobiography, Amar Jeevan, which was published in 1876 in the Bengali language. In 1880s, two Maharashtra women, Tarabhai Shinde and Pandita Ramabai, wrote about the miserable lives of the upper caste Hindu women, especially widows. In 1926, Begum Shakawat Hussain, an educationist and literary figure, strongly condemned men for withholding education from women.